What is good, YouTube? Traded by A-Man here, and we're back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna go over what I think is gonna happen to the market this week. We're gonna go over some things that I'm going to try and focus on doing this week. And before we get started, I'd like to ask if you could please like the video, subscribe, and let's see if we could get to our goal of 100 subscribers as we crossed over 70. And let's see if you can get this video to 1 or 2 likes. And without further ado, let's get into it. So this week in the pair USD JPY, I'm on the 4-hour time frame right now, and we're kind of consolidating because it couldn't break above this high right here. So I'm predicting that price comes back down to this support, and if it reacts like a rejection as we see here, then we look for buys to target that resistance area again. But if we break it and retest and then continue going down, then we can easily look for it to retest this support right here, or even the quarter level of 152,500. And yeah, if we go on the daily, we can see that it's moving pretty sideways as well. So all we can do is wait to see what could happen with these two dojis. We could see a reversal as there's indecision, and past 15 minutes there's still a lot going on. I don't even know what to do or how to read that, but on the 4-hour time frame it's a lot smoother, it's a lot cleaner. You see the blue is over the red, so right now there's no entry signal to take a sell yet until this 4-hour candle closes, because if this 4-hour candle closes bearish, then we have ourselves evening star pattern, because we have a bullish candle, a doji. Then if we close as a red candle, we have a bearish candle. So that's what I'm looking for USD JPY, because if we don't break this area right here, if we don't break above this area right here, we can look to be making that higher low, because as you can see on the weekly, we already made a new high, so we could now make a higher low, which we have a higher low here. We might come down to this area right here, but you never know, anything could happen in the market. And the trade I'm looking for is if price comes down to this support and rejects it, I'm looking for buys. And for CAD, the other pair that I trade, we could see this head and shoulders right here. If we could do left shoulder, you have the head, and then you have the right shoulder. As you can see, price already reacted to it and is coming down. So I think we'll see price come down to this area right here, where the 1.36757 level right here. As you can see on the daily, we are in a clear downtrend, so we might be able to even draw a fib as well. If I could delete this, I could draw a fib from here. Price moment it went up to here, and as you can see, the 61 extension lines up with the support that's right here. This support, the price struggled to break through to the downside. It kept going up, so we could see price come down here and then reverse up to the 27 extension, which is all the way up here. And let's see the news for the week. There's nothing too crazy for today, so I'm not expecting much movement to be in the market, as it's Sunday, and normally on Sundays market is just finding itself. And then Monday, same thing, there's nothing volatile, no news that could drastically change the market. For the pairs that I trade, we do see some Fed impact news, some like severe news for the US dollar, but we just have to wait and see for Tuesday to see what happens there. Because obviously, if the news is good, we could expect to see the US dollar push up, and vice versa if it's not good. On Wednesday, we have a bank holiday for New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar, and there's nothing else really on Wednesday that's high impact. We have unemployment claims and advanced GDP on Thursday, so market can move quite a bit on Thursday, and JPY has some high impact news as well, so you have to look out for that. And on Friday, there is some high impact news, but I don't trade on Fridays because that's a part of my trading plan. So I'm not really in tune with what's going to be happening on Friday. And that concludes the week. So now I'm going to start doing this more. Let me know if you like it down below in the comments, where I'm going to go in depth on the mistakes I made to see like what I can improve on in the coming weeks. Maybe you have the same problems and can improve on them too. So I'm going to, what I think, do this week is when price is 27 extension, I'm going to prioritize taking like 70% off, because I don't know if it's going to keep going or do a short retracement then keep going, but I'll hold. And if I see like a reversal pattern like this followed by more bearish pressure at a key area, then I'm just going to get out the full position, because I wouldn't want to risk anything else anymore. And another thing is wait for the 4-hour entry signals, because I see myself, as you can see here, it's a perfect example. I'm getting in too early, and once I wait for the 4-hour entry signals, there's a higher chance of price going in my favor. And let's move on to here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 4-hour entry signals and react to what I see on the 4-hour time frame, because what happens on the 4-hour time frame is what's most likely price is gonna do. As you can see, my comment support was held here, so there was no need for me to take any sells, because yeah, as you can see, the wick, rejection, and yeah, so that's pretty much what I see happening this week. Oh, as you can see, USD CAD is going down even more. So let me know what other videos you want me to post. Maybe a back testing video, like me going on a back testing software that I have and then test the strategy. Or maybe you want to see a strategy that I was taught. If you want to learn that strategy too, let me know. And with that, it's Traded by E-Man signing off. And remember, slow motion is better than no motion. Take care.